Welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense. Today we're going to take a look at homophones, and in fact, we're going to call this lesson Holy Homophones. Why holy homophones? Because holy cow, they can drive you crazy. Okay, they can drive you crazy, but what are they? A homophone is a word that sounds like another word and can have a different spelling and totally different meanings. Sometimes they sound exactly the same. You know, like in the word eight, EIGHT, and eight, ATE. Eight is a number, EIGHT, and eight is the past tense of eat. Why does English have so many homophones? I don't know, but we're going to learn some very common ones in a quick lesson, and they're very confusing. So come on. First thing you have to know is there are hundreds of homophones in the English language, perhaps even thousands. No one knows how many exactly. Well, Google doesn't. But where to begin? I've got a great idea. Let's start with some very common words, three of them in fact, and they all are pronounced the same way. Do you know which ones I'm talking about? You do? Let's find out. Did you guess two? Two and two? Ah, you did? Way to go. High five. Two, two, and two. Three words, one pronunciation, three different uses and meanings. The first two, to, is the preposition. I am going to the mall. We are going to the beach. He is going to give the gift to Jane. To is used to describe the direction or movement towards something or somewhere. Our next two is TWO. I know, it looks like it should be pronounced two, but it's not. It's pronounced two. Yeah, two. And it's the number between 1 and 3. I have two children and two dogs. How many do you have? Can you make a sentence with the number 2? I bet you can. 2 is an even number. Our third and final two is TOO. Two. Yeah, two has two meanings, TWO meanings. Two meanings for the word TOO. First use is also. For example, we went to the restaurant and the kids came too. Or you could say, hey, I'm going to the mall. Would you like to come too? Would you like to come also? And then we have the fish I ordered was too salty. This means extremely. Too salty. Something can be too sweet, too salty, too tragic, extremely. TOO. Why does this two with three letters, two O's, have two different meanings and uses? I don't know. Again, English. As if the twos weren't tricky enough or confusing enough, we have three words that sound exactly the same again, and they're pronounced exactly the same, and they have three uses. They are there, and there. What? Yeah, I know. These are so common and so confusing. The first there, THERE, is used for location. For example, look at that house over there. Where? Over there. Or we looked over there, but we couldn't find the dog. Location. THERE. You can use there, THERE, together and use it twice. You can sometimes use it three times and go, there, or there. What does it mean? When you do it like this, when someone says there, it's used to give comfort or support, not location. See the little girl getting comforted by the mother? There, said the mom. everything will be all right. There is used for comfort, and it's THERE. The second there is THEIR, and that there is in relation to ownership, possession, or associated with. For example, we are going over to their house. They own the house. Then we have look at their cute dog. Look at their cute dog. They own the dog. And then finally, here's a tricky one. They're their neighbors from up the block. The first there is THEY apostrophe RE. And the next there is the possession there. They're associated with their neighbors. They're their neighbors from up the block. The first there we're going to check out in the next word. Are you ready? Come on. There. English isn't so bad. Here's another there. It's THEY apostrophe RE. There, the contraction for they are. We make they are two words into one word, and it's pronounced there. We get rid of the A and put up an apostrophe in it. It's short for they are. Why do we have to have an abbreviation or a contraction? I don't know, because apparently we're really busy and we just need to contract or bring the two words together. So they're having a great day. Short for they are. They're having a great day. Or Jane and Bill are so happy. They're having a baby. They are having a baby, but we just say there. They are having a great day. But again, we say there. Well, you made it through there and there and there. And now we're going to take a look at your and your. Yeah, they sound exactly the same. The first your is YOUR. And that too is belonging to or associated with. Is that your dog? Do you own that dog? Is that dog associated with you? Is that your sister? Where is your house? See, we use your like that. Possession. Associated with. Your team, your friends, your family. Got it? YOUR, your. Belonging to or associated with. A couple more examples for you to help you with YOUR. You're associated with. Your team is so good. How long have you played with them? You don't own the team, but you are associated with them. It's your team. You are a part of it. And how many people are in your family? You are associated with your family. You don't own your family. You are associated with it. YOUR. Are you ready for the next one? Come on. Okay, we just did your, the possession or association. Now we're going to do your, the contraction. YOU apostrophe RE. We take the two words you are and smush them together with the contraction. And it is now your. I know it sounds a little bit like your. That's why they're homophones. You're my best friend. You're amazing. You're doing a great job at learning homophones. Are you ready to learn some more? Let's go. Our next pair is it's and it's. It's and it's. Yeah, the first it is a combination of two words. Another contraction.
Where is it?
It's. Short for it is. For example, it's great to see you. It's been a long time. It's a beautiful day.
Where is it?
It's short for it is. Now the next it's has no apostrophe, and it's another belonging to or associated with something already mentioned. Whew, that is a big definition for a 3-letter word. It's. For example, she turned the project on its head. And the cart fell over on its side. It's. No apostrophe S. It's. ITS. Another use of its, ITS, no apostrophe, is belonging to or associated with a child or being of unspecified sex. Again, another big definition and use for a tiny word, its. Its nursery is almost ready. We don't know the sex of the baby, so it's unspecified sex. It's nursery. And then we have a baby grows in its mother's womb. Notice there's an apostrophe S on mother's because that's possession. But ITS is not possession. It's belonging to or associated with a child or being of unspecified sex. A baby grows in its mother's womb. It's. Hope this helps. Okay, let's try these two. You hear them a lot. Oh, one of them I just said. Here and here. We have here, HERE, and here, HEAR. Here, HERE, is used with in, at, or to a position or place. For example, she goes to school here. Or here we are back home again. And what do we have here? See? HERE. Here. All right, HEAR is coming up next. Here. The other here. This one has the word EAR in it. Ear. I hear with my ear. What does this hear mean? To sense with the ear sound something or someone makes. I hear with my ear. Hey, do you hear that noise? Hear can also be used to be told or informed about. Hey, did you hear the news? Here we're not actually hearing a sound or someone, but is to be informed or to be told. Hey, were you informed about the news? We say, hey, did you hear the news? Hear. Two meanings or two uses for this HEAR. Here. Now we're going to check for understanding. Yeah, we're going to see how well you can do. Are you ready? The first sentence. It's my birthday. Which it's should it be? A or B? Write it down or keep it in your head. If you want to hit stop and go get a paper and pencil, okay? The next one. You're my best friend. Is it A or B? Write it down. Number 3. Hey, look over there. Which there? A, B, or C? Write it down. All right, let's try 2 more. Here we go. I can't hear the music. Is it A or is it B? Which here should you use? Think about it, write it down, hold that thought. Our next one. This coffee is too hot to drink. There are 2 twos in this sentence. Which order should they come from? Is it A, B, or C? Ooh, think about it. Write it down. Got it? We're going to check the answers. How did you do? First one, it's my birthday. Did you choose A? I bet you did. How about You're my best friend. Did you take B? Way to go. Hey, look over there. Did you get the right there? Did you think it was THERE? I bet you did. Let's see how you did on the next ones. Let's check these two. How are you doing? I hope you're getting them all correct. If you are, high five. Okay, these two. I can't hear the music. Did you choose B? HEAR? Well done. And this coffee is too hot to drink. TOO for extremely. To drink, the infinitive. Got it? This coffee is too hot to drink. Whew. I hope you got these right, and I hope you got them all right. But that's okay if you didn't. Remember, you can always rewind and try again. Take some notes or just practice. Well, I hope you did really well on that quick little check for understanding. If you got them all right again, way to go. High five, friends. Those are just a few of the homophones that you'll find in the English language. There's so many of them, thousands perhaps. We know for sure there are hundreds, but these are so often used, I thought I would start with them. So I hope you have a better idea of how to use your and your, there, and there, it's and it's, here and here, and two, and two. Do you? If you don't, just rewind and watch again. Take some notes. Yeah, try practicing writing it. It could help. But I hope you enjoyed this lesson, no matter how you did on it. I'm really happy to have you here. And if you like what you see, hit subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, boom, another high five, friends. Thank you so much for being here. And if you'd like, leave some comments or write me a sentence using one of these pairs of homophones. Got it? And let me know, did you like what you saw? And would you like to see more of the homophones? I'm SL Rockfish signing off. Thank you so much again. Remember, do something fun, do something amazing, or, do nothing at all. But whatever you do, have a great day. Peace, friends.